the first to know Nsem-Pii TV.
Abusana form be dey obo akopiem ewo Accra Circuit Court. Na okuduru ho dia ene eho ehuruye pa eho ayehyehyehyehyehye. NPP supporters akwakobo ho massive and at the same time chairman Wontumi enso ene ne lawyers ene na dwuma na nkasa Ayɛhu-Wontumi multimedia group no ne lawyer na chese akwakoduru ho asese am no kasa ide enye adeketo akra na ye nyebe kaya last Tuesday this week ena radio and TV presenter bi o dwuma wo Wontumi multimedia group mechere achim kwana na Kofi Asare awo no ye dwuma ewo Wontumi TV in Ashanti region. Na in fact self-acclaimed national security personnel be ekokoto share no so ewa bra ya share mask na yetututu etuo ekokowiem na yeto share achimkwana na so ayebobo no na yehu na chi akwanya at the end enu adankwa na yehu sese achimkwana na ewo Accra police ID headquarters ene no kura nimni ensem de ebi efi ho baba achimkwana na chese etwagu ise wa wonim no achimkwana no onie na abusafo NPP for no be abo homodi akwakoduru ho sen kombe grant abanti bail ombe boa eginema me ya bail no abusafo enne Accra High Court kwa setena wa refuse sa bail no na sesei ede be na ekoso eno ana chese lawyers ene Salam Mustafa mpo kase oba Ghana ha case bia bailable empo obi kum nipa kra na yetimi grant ni bail asembe nkwa na chimkwana na kan ya no nti yentimi grant ni bail kame akwa yese we witch hunting bi ena chese ekoso. In fact yentie ensema ekoso ewo Accra Circuit Court wo ene ensema chama Wontumi lawyers ni NPP supporters ekopie mu hono so kan ye no ebi
afternoon in court. I can say amount to a miscarriage of justice because the grounds upon which bail ought not to be admitted was not complied with. In the sense that the grounds upon which the sitting judge refused to grant the accused person bail is untenable. It's not known to the law that he's not granting him bail to calm tempers down. And we are asking, the police is the complainant in this matter. Is the police fighting? Are they angered? What is the posture of the Ghana Police Service? I believe that whose tempers are high. These are the questions that you need to ask. Because when you clearly read section 96.5 and section 96.6, it states clearly that the court must admit a person to bail on the grounds that the accused person will appear to stand trial. Anytime, any day that the accused person is called upon to appear to stand trial. And the grounds upon which the accused person, the court must grant the person bail is that the person must have a fixed place of abode in the republic where he can be located. The person must have sureties who have sufficient and substantial means with proven integrity and their rights. And I noted to the court that Mr. Benedict Siakon is a man of substance and sufficient means with proven integrity, who is also the shareholder of Wontumi Media, present in court and willing to stand as surety for him. Mr. Gordon Salibedi Akon, a renowned broadcast journalist, was also in court and is also willing to post bail for the accused person. Upon all this and others, the court did not find favor in all this. The provisions ascribed in law, in plain language. But the language of the court is that the court is refusing to grant him bail on the point that to calm tempers down. Who is the complainant in this matter? So the Ghana Police Service ought to issue a statement telling us where their tempers are, because they are the complainant in this matter. If the police that we use our taxpayers' money to pay is telling us that their tempers are high as a result of a statement made by a broadcast journalist, of which we have not gone into the substance of the matter before the court. We have not. They have not said that with any disclosures. They have not indicated to us that they are proceeding with trial, of which they have served us with disclosures, as ascribed by the Supreme Court in the Republic versus Basboni case. So trial has not commenced. So going into the merit of the case amounts to a miscarriage of justice, and the court did so. And that I have spoken with my clients, and we are minded to proceed, climb a step further to the High Court to ensure that justice is administered in accordance with law. Thank you.
We expecting saying court to say oh money bill no say or inclined for money bill. I want to question court decision. Then so I'm see what court money one be because say you apply fresh case ever court say the court and say we take it the plea of the accused person. Bisan say udi man say udi for. The accused person they can say udi for court no ebe convict no na be no or be sentence na so be defer for sentence. Na so ka say oni for na no ya hwe ni bill so em say be man akofia na say ye de ba kosi aban kuku na ebra ye be hia no ye de na ba. Ebra ye bisa ne say odi for na odi broadcast say oni for no na say akwanya ba beto say yes court ne say o ma na akwanya na onkofi na ebra court ne be hia so be ba na ya toto na no dia na waba eno na ye de sa adesere no to court na ni ejina emra e wo Ghana so Ghana mamra constitution so ejina the criminal offences proceedings act 30 so ejina the children's act so because abrantia ne ya just over mensia e mensia so no panyi ron ground 14 years in the money so sa ne yire etukwan kakra nti on the hwem kwala ni nyina na se obenya akonya no akohwem kwala ni because ye Ghana emra ye de hwe kwala nketwa no e ka ne pepe se akwala ye die ya de a paramount ye pa eti emra ntoto kwala ase eti ka bibia no ne ye hwese ka court ne be hwe kwala ni ko se and then kwala o hwe kwala na o hwe wo mu in the interest of the nation because ayo man na koma so se e be tin kwala pa na obenyina be mpanyi pa na so court na hwe ye de to ye nyina na so ye kan we nyina kire court no court na sem nyina ne se e bi esipen o man panyi ku bi di o man panyi ku fo ado atem ye de neighbor na nim o remande no enu nti se ye de yenua na ko ka helicopter crash a e wi ase nyina ensu ho asem a wankasa ye enu nti no ono de we bu aten kura wi to no so de o man build.
This is purely miscarriage of justice, and it is sad. As you are aware, the constitution of this country is clear, and if you read, if you follow the judgment of Martin Kwebu versus the Attorney General, every offence in the country is bailable. Every offence is bailable, even murder is bailable. So, for a case of this nature to be non-bailable, for the court, for the judge to grant bail really beats our imagination. Really beats our imagination. If even murder cases can be bailable offenses now in Ghana, and such a case, I mean civil media case that the person has even rendered, an apology for, the judge would grant bail on the basis that is mind-boggling, that you want to calm tempest. Which tempest? So what the Constitution speaks against, that bail conditions should not be used as basis of punishment, is what we are seeing happen here, and it amounts to total miscarriage of justice. And we are sad to see that this thing is happening in modern day Ghana. It's sad to see.
You said you're appealing to a higher court. Are there timelines?
Yes, we will appeal against this. I mean, it is not right. I mean, the Constitution is clear on these matters. That bail cannot be used as punishment. It cannot be used as punishment. And clearly, what is being done is that they want to use bail. They are reminding him as a form of punishment, which we find as wrong, which we find as miscarriage of justice, and that we are unable to accept.
Yes, I wanted to find out if there's a timeline that you want to make this particular appeal.
As the council mentioned, he has expressed orders of his client to proceed. So today, a lot of work, would be done by the council to file at the High Court, to.
Kwame, Oko Mafia, you see a crab branch TB. Nana Kills and Nana One or your NDC communicator, Echo Boss FM, and the audio ni videos no viral. As some more kind say helicopter na kwashe hoya NPP for na sase. Na yene de bibi kushi. Na NPP mpenin for kra no. E mu be nkunu so enso so me ba be wura mi omo so be free. Enti kwame no Ghana police enti tumu huye. Kwame wa fidie so semeboa me so no akatem semeboa. The honorable member of parliament for na ebeka say helicopter crash no no so osusu say ni pebinom na shaase obi na akwa esa na yesi explode kwa wo ma sana ehwo kwa me pa cho nyi wo fidie so no kan shaase
Ani.
okay what is the police afre no say the wo wakasa say me bia na wo nyina so bi ntibra ne be kire enyina so kro there be NDC Mami o ma power na say on na represent Ghana e UK the High Commission Zita aka say afidie na akwahwe ne de on de osise ni peminu mu hyaase enti no ono yem friend wa ma ska fa wi asemu emekoso aka
Baba ayi wo de o ye lawyer ni
I'm not with something.
Me say wo de o ye lawyer ni emra no be ka say obi akobo kro no esusu akobo kro no aye enche se ofofo so bokro no a be enche no
Aba jo ka say wo chikata
me say wo de wa ye lawyer ni say obi ko kan asem bi a asem no a border on criminality na ya enche no a enche se ofofo so ko kan bibi a similar
da bi kwam nya no kwa sa na me tse
okay
me tse ni say ewom NPP de ye di mra so e pemra ti so office obi a bibi na se obefre no watoto na no ana office wa bibi no eye but hwenia trend na e ko no ma se da ka sa o hwe emrantie fo yi na omo huma no ebo NPP di mu atwemkwai ko kan asemi wo UTV a ni na eno ni nansa ne de atuo ene ka kosi ho afa no se Obama very harmless guy ko kan na asemu ano yakobubu ni do ani akose ne dem ne ma twene pii e de ne ko eye TikTok ya ono no kodi ni dwuma ya ono ngofo di nkoma obi o a o ti UK na akoka na asem ama ono kwa ba bonten kwa be patch ono yakwa kofa no na obi ka sa asem ni bi wokuma se a ondo ye NDC ni dia yakata ye bi NDC member of parliament ono wa dan ba be kan asem si e wo fidie so police akata omani Zita ba be kan sa asem we si ono so akata ni ke na no me kan ofidie so say yes your friend NDC communicator be list wo nana oku eka say former IGP Dampare okunkum nipa wokum nipa so titi nipa bodue mu se dai ewo headquarters ekumomo okunkum nipa bi ewo kasoa these are serious matters the video e viral and wow ene ade ba ko a esensen ye komu pa ye bo ho mena de twa ye nsunu mu pa e ye boko conflict owie no sa to aso ka se eye opani Adam Bona ya power se ono na ye small arms commission eni pa no ono na edi atuo eni ammunition odi akade edi koma omo hwe boko conflict na se emo mo de kunto kwa be hwe se ne boku si die nya nei na nsen na upon ye phobia sa ko wura ye schools asa ku ye wo fa asefo ne ma befia apiemu ya be pie eye asante mantem na nsen so meti se ahama me bi sa kwa ko pie wo yan so what is this more serious than any of the offenses you are talking about yan so ni mbusa na no asem kwa and the police akata many and the police akata many kwame uwe kisa yesi efro bi samon hunto NDC ni kwatra TV so radio so ko kan se na na do fu play na play nimbe hwo ne nkuno na na do kwa no so ni mfaso amagana yesi efro samon hunto ke ka sanse mu ya eno de Ghana police makata money
nane de ye keke nyina no police for
to want some share me no mienu na esu wo fidie so say sa wan ye fe no ansa dali o se wan yi watimi aba be din tro se wo ye doctor onya doctor ama wakɔ dada presidency and the appointment kɛseɛ te sɛ NHI board ɛde ma no na obi amfrɛ no mbusa na no asɛm obi abusa sɛ esi de na wonyɛ doctor wo carry wo sɛ ɔyɛ doctor ama empokwa na appointment and ɛde ma no presidency atwea sensan san sɛ ɔma wo sɛ ɔma yɛ mfom so bɛsi nnɛ ansasa ho ahwan yɛ sɛ dalio sɛ ho ahwan yi yɛmfrɛ no kɔ abusa no sɛ wo esi de na wo kurom a wodi torɔkyɛ manfo no nyinaa sɛ woyɛ doctor nanso woyɛ fake wonyɛ doctor
ɛno no wɔn ankye no me di ho yɛ paa me sɛ ɛno wɔn ankye no me di ho yɛ paa na kɔsɛ mo sɛ ade no obi
sɛ member of parliament ɛyɛ ranking member for health ɛtwerɛ krataa de kɔ adeɛ a ɛbɛyɛ bubugyaa ɛma mpo ɔmampanin ɛnam ne kasamafo so Felix ɛba abɔnten bɛka sɛ ebo akura sɛ maka nso menweyɛ nke yɛ man appointment o ni efi so a doctor
na unim sɛ girl no
policeman say
eti ba so mbo girl unim sɛ SS kwa wanwie
emo ya
okay wanwie SS
iti Ghana police just man this is even a dangerous matter na se say ni power yo no be TV so ade bia no nkofo fi so doctor all my medical advice no o you fake it will be betimi adi na asem so mo kuku no ho kra Ghana police anti Ghana police man just answer me it's a basa o ma mo be di yaw Ghana your constitution no and say ye wo mra bi e de ma amenkroma tikese e ne o ma foforo e de ma nana bi e ye mra ba ko constitution ni na edi so obi tietia ye mra so a ye frɛ no etinia Ghana police e ye no e twetwe aso na emenu mo nyam se embam e twetwe aso kwa me hwe ablekuma north asemo esi na anu busumi achi eti Ghana police ntimi mrantom kwa atutwasem fi ayakayaka bia omkoye hawa kunsin fi ayakayaka bia omoye the deputy emrantie be aduo no etugu ni so omo nyina mfoni ye wo omo nyina mfoni wo social media videos no nyina wo eno ase Ghana police be cattle so omo ye hwehwemu na omo ye close se omo chinkofo eno do ma dia jobia now obi ye video no barakese ye kokotche no Ghana police on person mo tiwa ba bia wo hye bia ye betewo the Ghana police impenifo nti eno de munhu ye munhu ablekuma no fo mom koya tukrasam and se wo hwe video na se ase emrantie ase tumi bi so machi omo koye at the point kwa na no omo ko empo me deputy so na me deputy ni police fo ni gina ho se Ghana police aho ya omo ni munyam ankasa na omo di twitwi fom omo ni munyam omo di twitwi fom ebe bra ya ko honom mene general secretary eko ho na ye busa opani ba ko se enti on person mo kire se ensem a ekoso Ghana ye na de omo nte ba we no mote na pani ba ko ka so ene ya ye petition wo mo na me se enti se obo mo ha na petition mo ambe se no ge pesi hu petition no enti atimkwaya wo Wontumi TV ho na petition mo amokote no pesi hu petition no na opani ni hwemani enti semni bi wo honom dia yetumi petition de hwe no semni bi wo de petition in the coming days we are going to list ye twen is your money dia ba san komo we kwa nyam komo senki die kwa me san se je ye nyina na ye wura ko we are mourning
Mati
our people
Mati